A young man from the countryside described the gradual decline of woodworking. Mastering this ancient craft requires commitment, persistence, imagination, and dexterity. Don't you believe this incredible multi-generational Chinese woodworking tradition is deserving of a huge round of applause?
We will rock you.
We will rock you.
We will.
Just look at this wood car. It's absolutely lovely, isn't it?
You're a young man, hard and starting in the streets, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, your big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place, singing.